Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We'll start with Bank Nifty analysis. First of all, we'll go to 15-minute chart to see the entire day's action. So Bank Nifty gapped up right here. It tried to go above 30,000 level. But then sellers came in and it pushed the price down, and thereafter it was a extremely bearish day. So the reason for it was or Bank Nifty not crossing the 3,000, 30,000 mark and even going beyond that because it gapped up. Ideally, we would have liked it to open just in and around the closing price from Tuesday's session. Nonetheless, so if from the entire price action, what we can see is that this is a decent support level. If you want to sell Bank Nifty in tomorrow's session, if Bank Nifty goes below this, which is equal to 30,000, not 30,000, it is equal to 28,950. So if it goes below that, then we can set our target to this level. If you want to buy, do not buy unless Bank Nifty goes above this zone right here, around this one, which is equal to 29,006 25 or 650, and we can set our target to this level. Let's see what happens. If you go to daily chart, you can just see that it just looks like a correction right here. The most important support level right now is this one, which is equal to 28,722. I do not think Bank Nifty is going to cross that unless it start making a long wick candle near support level with the wick on the upper side. So tomorrow could be a tricky day. I will advise you to keep your quantity short and wait for more uh, coming days where we can easily identify direction of the market and we can load high amount of quantity. Also, if you see the volumes right here, the volumes are as good as any bullish candle we have seen in the past. So tomorrow we could see big retracement up to this level, but we are not sure about that. If we analyze Nifty 50, the similar pattern, similar session was materialized. If you go to 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty gapped up, then it tried to go up as well. Not Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 gapped up, then it tried to go up as well. Then after it managed to broke its first 15-minute low, there was no stopping sellers from dominating the session. So if we look at the price and see what we can trade in tomorrow's session, so this is a zone or a triangle. So if Bank Nifty or Nifty, I'm keep on saying Bank Nifty, it's Nifty 50 or Nifty. If Nifty goes below 12,830, I can see it will come or take support near this level, which is equal to 12,731. So also one thing that you should pay attention to, look at the volume out here. In Nifty 50, if you see the last 4 or 5 days action, the volumes for bearish candles are more than that of its bullish counterpart. So Nifty 50 on the chart looks more bullish if you take into consideration price action as well as volume. So tomorrow I would prefer to trade into Nifty because I know that if it managed to get lower the price of, this is the price where we are going to watch 12,830 around that, and it is definitely going to go as low as 12,730 or around that. Now we will analyze four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock we have is Adani Enterprise. If you look at the daily chart, this is a trend line, but also at the same time you can see that price is taking support right here. This is indicated by three long wick candles. So in tomorrow's session, the current market price stands at around 399. So if Adani Enterprise goes above 400, I can see it is coming closer to this small consolidation which is going on in last 2 to 3 days, which comes to around 43 or 45. But at the same time, you can see there is a trend line as well. In tomorrow's session, the two things can happen. It will go above 400, and if it manages to break the trend line, then you can see that there is no nearest level that we can target before the level of 410. So I'm looking at a decent bullish day in Adani Enterprise, upwards of 9 to 10 rupees. Now we will see second stock, and that is UPL. So if you look at the daily chart of the stock, this was the trend line which was broken in last week. UPL came down and tried to touch this level, though it managed to get closer to this level right here. But again, there was a decent buying pressure which pushed the price up. Then the next up rally started, but it did not manage to get even on the previous uh, down rally, which means that there is a bullish momentum, but the bullish momentum is not strong enough. So in tomorrow's session, considering larger bearish candle in today's session, also the volumes are pretty decent. If UPL goes below 416 or even 415, I can see it will try to go as low as this low, which is equal to, what is the price of this low? 406. That can happen. I think there is a big bearish momentum is impending in UPL since last 3 to 4 weeks, and from the price analysis and volumes, I can see tomorrow could be that day where we could see 10 to 15 minutes, 15 points bearish day in UPL. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Apollo Tyres. So if you look at the daily charts and take into consideration last 6 to 7 candles, we can draw a candlestick pattern called descending triangle. Descending triangle can be either bullish and bearish. But if you see the formation of the candle, I'll go to hourly chart and let's see how the entire price action is. Currently, Apollo Tyre is trying to break its support level. It has come to support level multiple times. This is touch number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also see the latest up rally. It did not break the high of the previous up rally, which means that bearish momentum is slightly building up. And considering the huge bearish candle in today's session along with the volume. See the volume on the hourly chart right here. The volume at the last hour in the session. Volumes are extremely sizable as compared to any bearish bullish bullish hourly volumes you can see. So if Apollo Tyres goes below 172, then I can see it will going to come down to this level, which is 170, and after that if it goes below that as well, then I cannot see anything stopping Apollo Tyres from going as low as 165. So brace yourself for a decent bullish bearish day in Apollo Tyres. So now we will see fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session, which is nothing but Bharti Infratel. Just see the price action. This is a resistance level. Bharti Airtel tried to break this resistance level in latest up rally, but it was pegged back heavily by sellers. You can see huge long wick candle. And also in today's session, it tried to forge ahead and beat the selling pressure and also get near the resistance level. But again, you see a huge bearish day with long wick candles. So if we take entire price action into consideration, tomorrow could be a bearish day, and the bearish day could last from 9:15 till 3:30. The reason for that is we have to go to an hourly chart. So this is the current formation right here. So this is also a triangle. So if Bharti at Infratel goes below this, the level is currently 215, it will surely going to come to this level of 2012, and after that if it managed to go lower than that, then surely the level of 205 is on. So the level that we are going to watch out for is 215. Also, you can take entry before that. The current market price stands at around, let me see the level, 216. So 215, take it at 215, and then keep on trailing your stop loss. Your trailing stop loss should be right here, 211, and then up, not 212, and after that you can hope that if it goes below 210, then this is 205, which is going to breach as well. So in the last part of the video, as always, we are going to see all the important levels such as entry, stop loss and targets in the 4 stocks that we just analyzed. So I have given you all the level, and one thing I'm going to repeat every single time, that do not take position into all these 4 stocks. Maximum you have to take only 2 stocks, and that's how you are going to earn more bang for bucks, not dividing your entire capital into extremely smaller quantity. That's not going to take you anywhere. So if you like the video, and if you are learning, and if you want to know how I identify intraday stocks for every single day, I have also made a video. That video is on my channel. You can go into a playlist and search for that as well. Thank you for watching.